I miss each and every one of you guys so dearly. I do. I miss my lovely friends. I miss seeing you guys each and every day. Let's begin our lesson. Okay. Lesson 115, or we can say 115. All right, learning target. Oh, look at that first bullet point. It has 3 sub-bullet points. So I can read a text fluently. Now let's read that first sub-bullet point. I can read smoothly at the right speed. I can read with meaning and expression. I can reread when something doesn't make sense. Awesome. So I'm pretty sure we're going to be reading. It says, I can read a text fluently. So fluency being, it's like those passages are red, yellow, green, and blue passages. I wish we were still doing those, our minute passages. So fluency is being able to read very, very like in a flow. Basically, it doesn't get chopped up. We don't read it like, it is Friday, time for Pat's party. So let's take a look at this excerpt from Pat's birthday. I think we read this last week. It is Friday, time for Pat's party. She gets gifts with bows, but no snow. Grandma brings out her cake on a tray. Grandma always makes a cake for birthdays. On top is a snowman. So let's look at our punctuation marks. I see 2 exclamation marks. How many sentences then? 1, 2, with periods. How many sentences with periods? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 periods and 2 exclamation marks. So let's look at our rules of fluency. So first bullet point, you need to read it smoothly. Second bullet point, with expression. Third bullet point, with meaning. And fourth bullet point, just the right speed. So I want you to read to someone. If you don't have anyone near you, read out loud. I want you guys to try focusing on, let's read it smoothly. So rather than smoothly would be, it is Friday. Not smooth would be, it is Friday, time for. So if you need to read it a couple times in order to read it smoothly, it looks like you're going to be reading it a couple times. It is Friday, time for Pat. Oh, actually, now let's read it with expression. Do we just say, it is Friday? No, there's an exclamation mark. You gotta say, it is Friday! Time for Pat's party. She gets gifts with bows, but no snow. Grandma brings out her cake on a tray. Grandma always makes a cake for birthdays. On top is a snowman. Yeah, that exclamation mark. Get excited, friends. Get excited. With meaning. So we know the story behind this. These sentences that we're reading, we know the story. So we're going to read it with meaning. It is Friday, time for Pat's party. What kind of party? A birthday party. Yeah, she gets gifts with bows, but no snow. And what did Pat ask for? Snow for her birthday. And did she get it? No. But Grandma brings out her cake on a tray because she always bakes a cake. Always makes a cake for birthdays. And on top, what does she have? A snowman, yeah, and just the right speed. So should we read it like this? It is Friday, time for Pat's party. She gets gifts with bows, but no snow. Grandma brings out her cake on a tray. Grandma always makes a cake for birthdays. On top is a snowman. No, friends, that was for the minute long passages. I just wanted to see how fast you could read within a minute. But this is, got to read it smoothly, with expression, with meaning, and just the right speed. So let's read it again. Read it again. If you need to, pause the video. If you want to hear me read it and then pause the video so you can read it, you're more than welcome to. It is Friday, time for Pat's party. She gets gifts with bows, but no snow. Grandma brings out a cake on a tray. Grandma always makes a cake for birthdays. On top is a snowman. Good job, guys. All right, let's look at our next learning target. First bullet point, I can apply the letter sounds. I know to spell words accurately. Second bullet point, I can spell high frequency words accurately. Good job, guys. All right, so open up to your composition notebook to the next available day. Today is the 22nd. It's Earth Day. Oh my gosh. How cool. It is Earth Day. Earth Day. I'm maybe putting some things in today's lesson. Well, not lesson, but in today's website about Earth Day. So let's write skills block 4-22. I hope you guys are going to go outside today after you get your homework done. So let me stop sharing this screen. I'm going to share my document camera screen. And open up to your next page. I am not going to write these down because this is a test. I want to see what you know. I have circled it on the schedule. That means you need to turn it in. So you or your parents need to send me a picture of your test. All right, friends. So number 1, you can pause the video and rewind it as much as you need to. I will write the numbers for you so that way you know. Let me see. All right. First word, say. Say. Think about all of the vowel teams that we've been using this week. Say. Did the teacher say where to turn in the homework? Say. Pause it if you need to. And let's go on. Number 2, day. Day. I played in the park all day. Day. Pause the video if you need to. Write it down. Let's go to number 3. Trust me, friends, I know we would go a lot slower in the classroom, but since you have the ability to pause the video, I'm going to go a little bit faster. If you need to, use the pause button. Number 3, snow. Snow. The snow was white and thick on the front lawn. Snow. Number 4, play. Play. The play started at 8 p.m. sharp. Play. Number 5, show. Show. I show people how to use the monkey bars at recess. Show. Number 6, spray. Spray. Listen to it. Tap it out if you need to. S-p-r-a. Spray. I spray my brother with the hose. Spray. Number 7, flow. Flow. A flow of water comes out of the faucet. Flow. Number 8, grows. Number 8, grows. My sister grows vegetables in her garden. Grows. Number 9, maybe. I asked my uncle to buy me a toy and he said, maybe. Maybe. Number 10, yellow. Yellow. The sun is bright yellow. Yellow. Awesome. All right. We're going to skip a line and let's do two high frequency words. So, number 1, actually, I want you guys to write the sentence for me. So we're going to write 2 sentences. The first sentence is, on Sunday, the minnow saw a shadow. It was a stingray. All right, I'm going to read it again and then I'll slow it down. On Sunday, the minnow saw a shadow. It was a stingray. So I would like you to write that. On Sunday, pause the video if you need to. On Sunday, the minnow, pause the video if you need to. The minnow saw a shadow. Saw a shadow. It was a stingray. Awesome. Good job, guys. All right, number 2. However many lines you use, that's fine. I want you to write these sentences out. You're going to write the sentences out. So 1 through 10 were just the words. 1 and 2 are going to be the sentences that you hear me say. So the next one is, yesterday I looked out the window and saw a snowdrift in my driveway. That one's a long sentence. Let me say it again, and then I'll slow it down. On Sunday, I looked out of the window and saw a snowdrift in my driveway. So let me say it slower. Yesterday. This is the time to pause the video. Yesterday, I looked out the window and saw a snowdrift in my driveway. Awesome job, guys. So these 2 are going to be sentences. 1 through 10 are just going to be the words. Rewatch that section of the video if you need to, okay? And that's it. Make sure to turn this in to me, guys.